to add a site-wide message that pops up when a customer reaches your website, navigate to the CMS and then go to the Catalog Manager. Then go to Additional Departments, and within the Additional Departments department, create a new department. In the name field, call this department Site-Wide Message. The case should match exactly for the department type to work properly. Go into the newly created department, and then create a new content item. In the name field, add the text you would like as the title to the site-wide message. Then in the description field on the Description tab, add in the body of text you would like to show. Clear the cache and navigate to your site via the link at the bottom of the page to view your changes. You will see the site-wide message pops up with the title and message text.